What's up, everybody? Hope everything is good your way. In this video, we're just gonna fix this wire on this clippers and make it look like this. So before we get into it, this is TK with Cuts by Kelly. Hit the subscribe button. So typically, when you're dealing with these clippers after you use them for a while, the normal wear and tear will happen, and your wire will start to be exposed. So usually the first thought is to go buy new clippers, but you actually could just change these wires out, and the new wire, the replacement wire should I say, is about $15. So the tools that we need for this, we need a screwdriver. We're gonna need this soldering iron, and I got this from Harbor Freight for about $15. We're gonna need the solder, and I got that from Harbor Freight for like $10. We also would need toothbrush, the replacement card, and I got that from Atlanta Barber for $15, and then electrical tape. And that's all we'll need to change out these clippers. So the steps to doing that, we're gonna unscrew these two wires here.
You got a good thing, don't play with it. You know that she the one gon' stay with it. If you know that she hold you down. Guess I'm a grown man now, so I feel different. Plus I'm a man of God, my version of real different. You still Will Smithin'. I'm trying to fill banks out here, and I ain't really with the Viv switching. Watch for the hypocrites or frauds that you kick it with. They had you dogging the realest chick. You feeling like a boss cause you did it, or you soft for committing. But they stick around for them same qualities in ya. I'm a real one. Ain't no fake me that women get.
Once we unscrew those wires, we're gonna take these two screws out for the red card and then the black card. So those two screws we need to unscrew. And then this is the wire that we need to deal with the soldering iron. We have to heat that up and take it apart. So right now we just take out those two screws, and then we'll go to our next step.
Every now and then I remind her that I love how she hold me down. I love how she hold me down. When you were nowhere to be.
So yeah, like in any other fixing or maintenance, just remember that whatever you take out, you need to put it back in the same way. Okay? So just remember as y'all taking off these parts, just to put them back in the right way. This is our soldering iron, and I'm heating it up right now. I plugged it up to heat it up. This is something I should have did before I took the screws and stuff out, so just keep that in mind. It takes about 10, you can say 10 to 20 minutes maybe, to get to the temperature that you want. So with that, we're going to just put the needle of that iron basically onto these connections, and as they heat up, they're just going to melt and separate. So that's our step that we're at now.
Y'all ready? Hey babe, tell the kids to keep it down. I'm recording. Off tour. Yeah.
If you are using the iron and you realize it's not heating up, you just have to wait until it heats up. If it feels like it's not doing anything, it's not hot enough yet. Once it gets hot enough, you'll see the smoke, and then it'll make it easy to make it separate. Just like that.
Sweet. Boy, if I come at y'all, you know what I could have done to y'all. If I wanted dog, wouldn't none of y'all eat. Real talk. Broken the game like a cat burglar. The rap Nat Turner with a habit to wrap circles around you. But you never heard of me, so I understand when you laugh.
Okay, now that we got it separated, we can take this old wire and bring in a new one. next thing besides that would be to get the soldering iron as well as your soldering wire, and we're going to melt this wire onto this black cord. You'll see at the end of the cord it's got the metal that's exposed, and that's what we're melting it to, not to the wire, the plastic I mean, but to the metal part.
Lucky you, but the flow got baptized. Lucky you. Hi guys, I've arrived, it's me, the Bible guy. I was only trying to shine this little light of mine, trying to give sight to blind, trying to rewire minds line for line so they could be everything God designed. Why would guys try me like I couldn't if I decide to put them in dirt and give them this work?
So this part can be tedious, as you can see, but you're basically just trying to get the right connection, and then you're going to put the iron to it to bind them together. Once you get your bind, you're good. Just melt the other end just like that so you can break it apart. So now we're going to attach the white wire to this black wire, and we're just going to melt the extra solder that we put on the black wire. We're just going to melt that onto the metal or the wire of the white wire. And you can see that. Once you get a bind, you're good. This bind isn't the best bind, but honestly, this actually is my first time doing this. So that should be an encouragement to you. If I could do it on my first time, you could do the same. But long as it's connected, that's good. So now I'm just going to use my electrical wire, and I'm just going to wrap it around and make sure it's covered good. Just so once we're using our clippers, that wire won't be exposed to the metal on the inside and start sparking off or, burn out or anything like that. So this will help be that extra protection to the wire, just like the plastic, the black and the white plastic is for it. Now we just put everything back together. Just remember when you're taking them off, everything loose, you remember how you took it loose so you can put it back together. We need to put the little iron piece, I don't know what that is, but we're just going to put that right back into the spot that it was. Make sure you have it sitting right on top of the curve. You can see the little curve, and put it on the hole so you can put the screw in.
Been away for an early teen. A crib pulls up, giving him the 3rd degree pop, but we can tell him it's not red, it's burgundy. So what's a black life these days? An ice link chain and some nice clean J's. Your favorite rapper say he a clapping for nothing.
Now, this is another part that can be tricky. So my advice is to do it like I'm doing it right here. It's where I'm putting the screw and the wire in on both sides, because when you're trying to screw it in to the casing moves because it's not held down by anything. So it's just better, I found, to assemble this just like that and then sit it on the casing like that and then start screwing. But the casing moves so much, it can make it hard if you try to do one at a time. But I thought this was the easiest and fastest way for me.
Smoker on the corner, said he needs some help, he just want a couple quotas, but you ain't give it to him, you kept rolling, cause you know that if he get it, he gon' spend it on what's detrimental for him. It's funny how when someone else needs the charity, we tend to see it with a lot more clarity. The issue lies deep in them, eating them like a cancer. Until that's fixed, money, you'll never be the answer. Until we heal, money, you'll never be the answer. In this condition, how would we spend it if we had some? Get some now.
Okay, once you got it screwed back in, now we're just gonna slide our wire, our cord back into the groove, and you'll have to push a wire on the side of these of that metal. Once you slide the core in the groove, you can push your wire on the side of the metal. Either side, whatever side you feel more comfortable with, but you just want to push it on the side like that to make it easier to close the casing. Once you got a nice flush fit for the casing, then just screw your screws back into the casing. So if this video was helpful to you, please like, subscribe, put a thumbs up, also leave a comment below. That would be real helpful to me. But before we get out this video, I just want to turn on the clipper so you can hear it. So thanks for watching the video. Like I said, like and subscribe. This is TK with Cuts by Kelly, and I appreciate you.
Smoking here. So where do we go from here? Where do we go?